Finding the right crystals for your needs involves a combination of intuition, research, and personal connection. Here are some steps to help you in finding the right crystals. Identify your intention. Determine what you are looking to achieve or what area of your life you want to focus on. Whether it's emotional healing, protection, abundance, love, or spiritual growth, clarifying your intention will guide your crystal search. Research. Take the time to research different crystals and their metaphysical properties. Look for crystals that align with your intention and resonate with you. Books, online resources, and crystal healing guides can provide valuable information on the properties and uses of various crystals. Follow your intuition. Trust your intuition when selecting crystals. Pay attention to the crystals that catch your eye or that you feel drawn to. Trust your gut feeling and choose the ones that resonate with you on a personal level. Visit crystal shops or fairs. Explore local crystal shops or attend crystal fairs where you can physically see and hold different crystals. This allows you to connect with them energetically and see which ones feel right for you. Hold and feel the crystals. When you come across a crystal that interests you, hold it in your hand and feel its energy. Notice any sensations, warmth, or vibrations you may experience. This direct interaction can give you a sense of whether the crystal is a good match for you. Ask for guidance. If you feel uncertain, ask for guidance or assistance from the shopkeeper or a knowledgeable crystal practitioner. They can provide insights and recommendations based on your specific needs and intentions. Cleansing and programming. Once you have chosen your crystals, cleanse them by using methods like smudging, running water, or placing them under moonlight. Then, set your intention by holding the crystal and stating your purpose or desired outcome. Remember, everyone's experience with crystals is unique, so trust your instincts and choose the crystals that resonate with you personally. Allow yourself to be open to the energies and guidance that crystals can offer on your journey of self discovery and healing.